I've just woken up and I'm very excited because Mummy and Scotman are coming today. I think I'm going to have a chocolate. Which one shall I start the day with? I think it has to be a heart for the day that Mummy and Scotman come back. Crunchy, biscuity praline. Big Easter party is over. It's time for work to start at Lalande. And the chambre d'hôtes have begun again, which is really good fun actually. And it's so lovely to start the day hearing our bed and breakfast guests making music in the grand salon. David has finally made it one day late after getting a flight after missing the first. And most interestingly, he's wearing jodhpurs.
Yesterday's jodhpurs because I actually came from a riding lesson to the airport shortly before missing the plane.
They're actually really cool. I like them a lot. Très chic, David.
We also need to plan your next painting for the chateau, which is of you.
Yeah! Seriously?
Yes. I thought reclining on bed, reading a book or something would be quite nice. I need to do a little bit of research into kind of how you could pose and see if I can get some inspiration.
If you put painting, reclining, bed, you're going to get nothing but nudes.
No, I won't. Lots of people sit on their bed with clothes on. It's not going to be a problem.
Okay, I don't... No. What?
Ah.
Okay, can I be clear that we're not doing a nude?
Yeah, we are definitely not doing a nude. No, that would be awkward for both
Oh,
of
this
us.
one's got clothes on. She's got clothes on.
This one I feel that's a man. Goodness. Yes. Sorry, that is not appropriate. I'm more of a clothed painter type of guy, to be honest with you, because I'm too embarrassed. I'm too English to look at naked flesh. Young lady in nightdress reclining in bed with breakfast tray. This is perfect. This
Everything we wanted.
Yeah, it's safe for children. It's very nice. It's got beautiful light.
Won't embarrass either of us.
No.
Marvellous.
Wow, excellent.
Just the way we like it.
Good. Right. See you up there, 4:30.
Oh, Thor. Every time I try to take a video of you, Thor, you show me your bottom. And I know it's a good bottom, but I was hoping to get a front view. Nope. Oh, no, he really doesn't want that. Okay, let's see if he'll let me walk round to the front. No. Thor, I just really like to get your front. Nope. Yeah, you... Oh, no, okay, show them instead of me. Fine. Our chicken now seems to think that she's a peacock. She's joined the peacocks in their favourite roosting spot of my car roof. And that's it. She's spending her time up here now. David is back from his cycling.
And here we have some tea ready.
All right, Oliver, let's go upstairs and have afternoon tea and talk about this painting.
Where shall we have it?
Well, it's a bed tray, so I would say on bed. Oh, this is an excellent afternoon tea. Have you seen this, Ollie?
Wow. Where did that actually just come from?
David literally just got it together.
He just got in from a bike ride and then I didn't even notice him doing anything within 2 seconds.
No, I know, the man's a marvel. Okay, Oliver, where do you want me and what do you want me wearing?
I think I want you to wear something flowing and then the light's coming in from here and you're having your afternoon tea. I think it's going to be amazing.
Okay, let's go and have a look in my dressing room.
Would you like to come, David? I feel I can't go into her dressing room alone.
So here is my dressing room.
Excellent. It's rather a large curtain. Right, here we are. Look, I'm going to reveal.
Well, that's the robes and the coats. That's the skirts.
Just like my wardrobe at home, I've literally I've got a rack.
Trousers.
I've got a rack this size, so to speak. Stephanie, however.
This is the amazing coat that Stephanie wore in Venice.
Oh yes, the Venice coat.
What's this? Is this designer dress?
And there's jackets up there, and that's
Is this haute
evening
couture?
wear. You're in evening wear.
Very nice.
That's Dior.
Dior.
Yeah, that's vintage Dior from Galliano years. That one, Zara, I wore that at the party
Wow,
at the
that's
Chateau de Lalande with Michael.
Oh look, that's us. That is actually us.
Oh my god, I'd forgotten that was there. Yes, that's us.
How young were we?
We were 23.
Yeah, 23. Overpoweringly perfumey around here. You just Sprayed?
it's just my clothes.
Really? Okay.
Oh, look!
Oh.
My very, very, very first party dress is here. Do you want to see my first party dress ever? It's to remind me that parties go through an entire lifetime.
It's incredibly cute.
It's my communion dress
Wow.
that my aunt made for me.
It's really
And it has a matching bonnet, and it's been used by all of my cousins ever since. So at the moment it's got a blue ribbon, and when it's a girl it gets a pink ribbon.
Do we have the photo of you wearing it?
We do have that, with my aunt holding me. These are the
Something
90s. This is vintage Givenchy, I like this a lot.
I quite like the subtle colours of that.
You do?
I think the last painting I did was pretty bold. I think I want to go for something softer.
So we can do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Is this okay, Ollie? Am I flouncy enough?
Wow. That beats my my t-shirt and boxer shorts for my
Really?
wear. Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
You need to get yourself something like this.
Yeah, I think I do.
Yeah, you do. Would you like a cup of tea?
I would absolutely love a cup of tea.
The light is quite nice. I kind of need you lying back.
Wow. It's getting a bit smutty in here.
I'm trying to maintain a sense of decorum.
I basically want to spend every day of the rest of my life having photos taken of me in bed whilst eating cake.
I think this pose isn't quite right yet.
Okay, Ollie, do you want me to read from the Outlines of Philosophy whilst you do this?
I would like to discover the outlines of philosophy, yes.
Life, says a fine Greek adage, is the gift of nature, but beautiful living is the gift of wisdom.
Very nice. You know.
The restraints of reason were too delicate to hold these ancestral passions in leash, and Alexander left philosophy after 2 years to mount to the throne and ride the world. I feel that Will Durant rather wished he'd been writing an altogether different sort of book than
I think
this
he had a career
one.
as a Mills and Boon writer.
Do you know my chemistry book at school was published by Mills and Boon?
Oh, really?
You're joking.
I'm not.
What?
The chemistry textbook?
Well, that sounds quite entertaining. Did you actually get around to learning any chemistry?
No.
Was it about the laws of attraction?
Chemical reactions.
Excuse me.
Chemical.
No, I'd like to apologise.
Art is a serious business.
I'm sorry. I'm going back to it.
Yeah.
It's been a beautiful day, but I'm going to bed in absolute disgrace because I got my mother's arrival time wrong and I was an hour and a half late to pick her up. She's not very happy with me and I hope she'll feel brighter tomorrow. I'm scared to go downstairs in my own house because apparently morning 1 and Mummy's already on the warpath. Marie sent me a warning text. Morning!
Hello!
Good morning.
How is everybody today? Good morning.
We are lovely. Thank you.
I hear that Mummy's on the warpath.
Yeah.
She's in the laundry room.
Do you think I dare go into the laundry room?
No.
I have to see my mother at some point.
Yes.
Skype call, don't bother.
Oh,
Good luck.
thanks. Mummy? Hello? That's why I'm looking at you from behind a camera. I heard that there was problems today.
What did you say, darling?
I love the fact that your face changed the minute you saw I was holding a camera. I'll be holding a camera all day today, Mummy, so...
Yeah, I better watch what I'm saying. That is this. I don't quite know what they're doing here.
No, that is confusing. But if the fact that there are nails in the laundry
It's the
room is
fact
the
that-
worst of our problems, then we're all right. I'll move this to where it should be. I love you, Mummy, and I'm very happy that you're here.
I'm not so happy to be here.
Mummy.
No, I'm not, because I get overburdened by the stuff to
That's
needing
because you're
doing.
standing in the rooms that need the most work. Go and sit in the
No,
kitchen and have a
sweetheart,
cup of tea.
I've tidied up the kitchen already. Please.
I think you should come out of the laundry room. Let's go through and have a cup of tea, Mummy.
Yes, I think I need one because I'm about to blow my brain out.
Your brain? Oh, well, as long as you're only blowing your own brain out and not anybody else's, we should manage to get through the day.
I'll start shooting myself and then I'll go around shooting everybody else.
Yeah, you stick to that way round.
A massacre here.
Group hug! Group hug, everybody!
Go.
Group hug! glorious outfit.
Just do a few stretches.
Yes, please.
Oh, I really feel that.
What do you think, Gerald? Are you going to start?
That's it.
That's it.
Well done. I've done it. Need a cup of tea.
Yeah, that's it. You know, a cup of tea, I need oxygen.
David, can I say how delighted I am to see you back in the kitchen?
Very lovely to be here.
What are you making?
Making a base for a lemon tart.
So as you were on the vlog last week, people won't realise that you actually left for 3 or 4 days. 3 or 4 days that were very bleak in the kitchen here.
But we're back and we've got cheese and frozen berries and tomatoes, so everything's back to normal now.
I love the fact that you're calmly and happily making a lemon tart in front of a whole load of scaffolding.
I love lemons. Scaffolding or no scaffolding.
This looks magical.
And it is magical. The food is magical, the company is magical, everything's magical.
Grant and Brogan are visiting because they're looking to buy a chateau. Yeah! Come and be neighbours.
We're going to be neighbours.
Yes!
Only an hour away, but that's classed as a neighbour, isn't it?
That's definitely a neighbour here.
That's next door.
Mummy's in a much better mood today. Everyone's happy. Good. The Count and Countess of Nadayak, the previous owners of Lalande, have come to visit for a couple of days. Morning.
Hi.
Sophie, you're back.
I'm back, yes. I can't stay away.
It's excellent.
Yeah, I'm working through every room at the chateau.
Good.
Straight.
You've still got a few to go.
Good project.
You've got the pleasure of a lot more visits.
Yeah. And absolutely fascinated to meet Françoise and Brigitte, who owned the chateau since before the revolution.
Yes, well, 200 years.
And it's so lovely that they can come back and have a party here.
Yeah, I feel extremely lucky
It's really privileged.
that we're all still in contact. J'aime beaucoup entendre les histoires quand vous étiez ici enfant.
Oui, il y avait des assiettes avec des petits oiseaux. Ils se battaient en disant « Moi j'en ai 2 ». Ah mais non, moi j'en ai 3. Parce qu'il n'y avait pas le même nom, c'était pas tout à fait les mêmes. Donc voilà, c'était à qui aurait le plus d'oiseaux sur son assiette.
Oh.
Elles étaient très belles, mais très ébréchées.
Moi j'ai récupéré une vaisselle avec des armoiries de la famille.
Wow.
Et la devise.
Et la devise, oui, la devise de la famille. Virtus in heredes.
We're very sad because David is leaving today.
Only for a few days though.
Yeah, well, we're still sad, David.
But I've left you cake to make you happy.
Ah, well, that does change everything. We might not have David, but we do have cake. What is this cake?
It's a gluten-free and carb-free chocolate cake with a peanut buttercream topping. We can't film half of the things that are going on in the house this week because we're filming, so it's all top secret. Every morning starts with Michael doing my makeup so that it looks as though I've just rolled out of bed looking like this.
You do, don't you? It's all lies.
This is what I see first thing in the morning, doing my makeup.
A bit of powder just to contour you. Because TV is actually flat. I don't know if you've realised that. Televisions, most of them are flat. And the face is not flat. So sometimes it can make a face look flat even if it's not. So you've got to really bring out the 3 dimensions of the face with contour.
So this is not cheating, no, it's just working with the medium.
Mm-hmm.
Which powder are you using?
We're using an Estee Lauder.
How come it's in an Yves Saint Laurent case?
All right, Steph. Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know.
Oh, I think I can hear the film crew here.
You better hurry up then.
Yeah, you better hurry up.
No. You better hurry up.
No, you better hurry up. We're both really, really busy on separate projects today. Really, really busy.
Yeah, too busy to film vlogs. Stop. Come on.
Michael has just done Mummy's makeup.
Just a little bit.
You do look beautiful, Mummy.
Thank you.
And you look so proud.
Yes.
Well, if Isabel's happy, then everyone in the chateau's happy.
You've done everyone an enormous favour, Michael.
So Michael, what's the lesson today?
Today's lesson is gilding wax.
Oh,
and
okay,
how it-
show us.
Yep, how it can jazz up your furniture with very little effort.
Before Michael started, it was all like this, just brown. You think that the British on Escape to the Chateau DIY are single-handedly pushing up the sales of gold wax?
Especially gold leaf, babe.
Okay, babe,
Well, I
show me how
think
you're doing it, babe.
Johnny Darko should actually get.
Should have his own brand of gold leaf.
He should, he really should, he's
Yeah.
amazing.
Get a good gilding wax. This is a nice one. This is Le Franc Bourgeois.
Cire dorée, very nice.
And you just apply it to the brush very sparingly and just brush over the raised areas.
That's really all you're doing.
That's it. I mean, literally, that's it. You just kind of brush it over the raised parts.
It's beautiful. I love it. And we can't show you the rest of this room because we're filming in here. This is just a little teaser. We were so exhausted from a fun day of filming that Marie and I fell asleep listening to Michael on the piano. A perfect end to a perfect day.